Hello, welcome to Captivating Windows by Magnolias. I'm Amy, the owner of Captivating Windows and also the owner of Magnolias, which has been in business for over 30 years. We're sharing the same building here in downtown Norfolk on the River Point. And if you've never stopped in before, Captivating Windows is the perfect place to start your window covering shopping experience. Here in the showroom, we have all of the shades on display for you to see, touch, feel, and demonstrate. If you walk through our showroom, you'll see over 30 shades in our displays, and often they're automated. You can see them moving and you'll understand how they function as far as opening and closing, lifting, controlling the light. What is the best solution for your home? You'll be able to tell clearly here in the showroom. Let's do a little walkthrough. If you're doing window coverings that involve fabric treatments, for instance, draperies, valances, soft treatments, we call them. We have all these great fabrics inside. If you look through the books, you're going to be inspired for sure. Many of these can become draperies, bedspreads, valances, Roman shades, all of those popular shapes that you see online and social media. Here in the showroom, you get the full experience, and we even have some of these rugs that can coordinate with the look that you want to complete as well. The shades in the store have two different brands. We offer Hunter Douglas and Lafayette. Hunter Douglas, as you know, a national name brand company. The quality and the warranty is excellent. The other brand we offer is Lafayette. That is an American-made company, and the most popular item are the banded shades. Some of the features in the showroom that you can experience is the app on our phones. Here in the showroom, many of these shades are automated, and we can show you just how easy it is to try something new in your bedroom, for instance. This sheer shade offers privacy during the day with filtered daylight coming in, but at night, if you drop that back lining, you're going to have a blackout situation that gives you complete privacy. Sometimes you just can't experience that kind of information when you're just looking online. So here in the showroom, we'll show you how they operate. We'll explain the differences between the different types of automation, and you can try these shades for yourself. Like I said, there's over 30 here on display. The team is always here to answer your questions and get the ball rolling. One thing that you'll want to do once you decide that you'd like to move forward is schedule a measuring appointment. We're going to come out to your house and we're going to measure your windows professionally and figure out the perfect fit of whatever type of shade you've already kind of predetermined that you might like in your room. The shades come in multiple colors and different fabrics, often more than 50 per shade style. But don't worry, we're going to edit it down for you and we're going to make it simple. The books we bring out to your home will help us look at the colors and the tones in the room, and we can make expert recommendations on which color is going to be best for your space. After we decide on the color selection, the shade types for all the rooms in your home, we're going to come back to the store and we're going to put together your quote. You're going to get that quote really quickly and be able to see the different prices between the different shades you might have selected. So in the store, if you want to come back and review your quote one more time, we could look at the shades again. We could walk through and review the different colors, but most importantly, we're going to make sure your questions are all answered. Once you're confident in the purchase you'd like to make, we're going to take a deposit. And with that 60% down, we're going to get the order coming as quickly as possible. So usually shades arrive in 3 to 4 weeks, and we're scheduling immediately once they're going to arrive. You're going to want those shades in once you start thinking about them. So we have a professional installer, and he's going to make sure when he gets to your home that you not only see your window shade fitting perfectly, but that you understand how to operate it too. Whether you're doing a remote control like this one or the app on your phone, he'll set that up for you and then make sure your questions are answered and that you're understanding how to operate the shades in your house as well. We take the final payment at the time of installation, and if you have other questions, he can answer them at that time. Otherwise, our team is always here at the store in the future to follow up with you and make sure everything's working perfectly just as you expect it. So that's a little bit about the shade ordering process here at Captivating Windows. If you want to stop down and meet our team and learn a little bit more about what kind of shades would be perfect for your home, we're here to offer those recommendations. We're open Tuesday through Saturday. You can check us out online as well. Just visit captivatingwindows.com. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch up with you the next time you visit.